please feel free to do the exercises quicker than I do. For me, it's very easy to do them slowly because in a way I talk and I give the thoughts. The etheric world moves slowly. They move infinitely slowly. We can look into it too, but because these things are at the same time, if I start to move here, it already starts to move there, so I don't have to be quick. And the etheric world is the world of thoughts. As soon as we put thoughts into what we do, the space opens up, and because the space becomes so big, outwardly the movement becomes slower. And when I talk about it, all these thoughts come in, and I can just move. And for me, it's not slow. Please feel free to do it 2 times when I need 1 time. But in a way, one can discover what can I do that this slow movement comes about.